अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम पास्ट पेपर्स के वो क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे जो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे थे, चाहे वो एफपीएससी पेपर हो, पीपीएससी पेपर हो, एसपीएससी पेपर हो, कोई भी वन पेपर एमसीक्यू पेपर हो। तो उसमें वो वाले क्वेश्चंस जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थे और बार बार मुख्तलिफ पेपरों में वो रिपीट हो रहे थे। तो इस हवाले से हमारे चैनल पर ये तीसरी वीडियो है जिसमें हम रिपीट होने वाले क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे। चलिए ये वाली वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं बुक्स के हवाले से, ऐसी बुक्स, इसमें वो बुक्स हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट और भी बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं, लेकिन इसमें वो बुक्स ली गई हैं जो बार बार पूछी जाती हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द बुक ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पीशीज वाज रिटन बाय चार्ल्स डार्विन। द बुक ओलिवर ट्विस्ट वाज रिटन बाय चार्ल्स डिकन्स। द बुक ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री वाज रिटन बाय जवाहरलाल नेहरू। द वेल नोन वर्क ऑफ Abdul Kalam Azad is India Wins Freedom. Mushtaq Ahmed Yusuf is famous for as his comedian writer. The loudness of a sound wave is determined by its amplitude. Sound travels at its maximum speed in steel. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Harare is the capital city of Zimbabwe. The speed of sound will be highest in humid air at 30 degrees centigrade. Bats can fly in the dark because they are guided by ultrasonic waves produced by them. A device used for measuring the depth of sea is called fathometer. The transformer is a device for stepping up the voltage. South Pole is located in the countries of Antarctica. The author of the book Arms and the Man is George Bernard Shaw. David Copperfield named book was written by Charles Dickens. India Khilafat deputation visited England to put their views before Lloyd George in 1920. In an electrical circuit, a fuse is connected in the live wire. Atmosphere around the earth maintains its temperature. The book that contains a story on the French Revolution by Charles Dickens is A Tale of Two Cities. ये किताब है जो चार्ल्स डिकन ने लिखी, जो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के हवाले से। War and Peace, a novel by Tolstoy, depicts Russian life set against a background of Napoleon's invasion के हवाले से। The first Muslim who became the president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Taibi. Bengal was partitioned when Lord Curzon was Viceroy of India. Curzon हो गया। When partition of Bengal was happened, तो बंगाल की पार्टीशन हुई थी अक्टूबर 1905 में। द ऑफिशियल रिपोर्ट ऑफ द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इज कंटेन्ड, ब्लू बुक कहते हैं उसे। येलो बुक इज ऑफिशियल बुक ऑफ द फ्रेंच। येलो बुक इज ऑफिशियल बुक ऑफ द फ्रेंच। अब्राहम लिंकन वाज द 16th president of USA. The founder of Indian National Congress was A.O. Hume. The last ruler of Mughal dynasty was Bahadur Shah Zafar. The Magna Carta is a historical document curbing the king's power. The Magna Carta was signed during the reign of John II. Magna Carta was signed by the King of England in 1215. Renaissance is a period of revival or rebirth of learning. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Babur. When Babur captured the Delhi, 1525, the Qaid-e-Azam passed his bar at law exam from Lincoln's Inn. Babur captured Delhi 1526. The Qaid-e-Azam passed his bar at law exam from Lincoln's Inn. Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan was leader of Unionist Party. The Scottish bacteriologist who discovered penicillin was Alexander Fleming. The SI unit of is named after Andre Mary Ampere. तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का जो यूनिट है अम्पेयर, जिसके नाम पर रखा गया था। The king of Macedonia who conquered most of Asia, Mimir, and defeated Porus, Alexander the Great. When Alexander the Great defeated the Porus 327 BC. In 1916, the joint session of Muslim League and Indian National Congress was held at Lucknow. Who is also known as the Lady of the Lamp, Florence Nightingale. Who developed the mercury thermometer? Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. When Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit developed the mercury thermometer 1714. Who is known as the father of English poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer को कहते हैं। The American general who led the revolt against the British and declared American independence was George Washington. Who developed the smallpox vaccination? Edward Jenner. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer. Who discovers the America? Christopher Columbus. French Revolution took place during the reign of King Louis XVI. The French Revolution began in the year 1789. Who was the founder of the Sikh religion? Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The French Revolution began in the year 1789. Who was the founder of the Sikh religion? Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th and last Guru of Sikhs. Who is the author of the Sam Granth? Guru Gobind Singh. Who invented the radio and wireless system? Galileo Marconi थे. Who discovered the law of gravitation and three laws of motion? Sir Isaac Newton. Fall of Bastille as associated with French Revolution. The French Revolution gave rise to the theory of socialism. Renaissance took place in Europe during 15th century. Who invented the television? Johann Lloyd Baird. When television was invented in 1926, John F. Kennedy was the first Roman Catholic president. Who emerged as a great leader in France as a result of the French Revolution? Napoleon Bonaparte. Leonardo da Vinci was a famous painter. Leonardo da Vinci was a famous painter of Italian. Leonardo da Vinci is famous for his masterpiece of Mona Lisa. Name the first lady speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan. Dr. Fahmida Mirza. Who is known as Indian Napoleon? तो समुद्रगुप्ता जो है ना, ये इंडियन नेपोलियन कहा जाता है. Who invented magnifying glass and gunpowder? Roger Bacon. The Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. The Russian play took place in year 1917. The Russian Revolution took place in the year 1917. Pakistan's foreign policy is the safeguarding of its sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity. The techniques of pasturing milk is named after Louis Pasteur. The French Revolution ended in 1793. अच्छा, ये फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन और रशियन रेवोल्यूशन दोनों की डेट्स अलग अलग हैं. जैसे रशियन रेवोल्यूशन 1917 में स्टार्ट होता है और फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन 1789 में स्टार्ट होता है और 1793 तक चलता है. Who received Nobel Prize in Chemistry for discovery of radium and polonium? तो Madam Marie Curie. Rabat is the capital of Morocco. Who discovered the electromagnetism? तो Michael Faraday. Who was the chairman of the committee for drafting the 18th Amendment in Constitution of 1973? तो मियां रजा रब्बानी जिसके चेयरमैन थे. The Russian Revolution of 1917 was led by, तो लेनिन कर रहे थे, इसे लीड कर रहे थे. The 7-year war was fought between England and France. The 100-year war was fought between England and France. War of Roses in European historians associated with Anglo-Spanish War. Boston Tea Party is associated with American independence. War of American independence was fought between France and America. When was War of American independence fought? 1776. Who drafted Declaration of American Independence? Thomas Jefferson. When was the Declaration of Rights drafted for American independence was announced? 1776. World War I commenced in 1914. World War II commenced in 1939. यानी कब शुरू हुई थी? World War I और World War II, ये डेट बहुत पूछी जाती है. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919. 1919 में. The first atom bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on 6 अगस्त 1914. उसका नाम भी वैसे पूछा जाता है, लिटिल बॉय. उस बॉम्ब का नाम था जो 6 अगस्त को फेंका गया, और फिर दूसरा 9 अगस्त को फेंका गया जिसका नाम था फैट बॉय. The Muslim general Muhammad bin Qasim entered victorious in the subcontinent Indo-Pak in the year 712. The second atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki on 9 अगस्त 1945. फैट बॉय जिसका नाम था. Crusades were movement to religious wars by European Christians to liberate the Holy Land. यानी पैलेस्टीन को कहते हैं Holy Land. Which country suffered maximum in World War II? तो जापान था. Zimbabwe attained independence in 1980. Napoleon Bonaparte belonged to France. Florence Nightingale is associated with Crimean War. The Treaty of Versailles ended the World War I. Which country changed allegiance between World War I and World War II? तो वो था जनाब जापान. ये आज के थे 100 क्वेश्चंस. तो आप इनको अच्छी तरीके से देखिए और इनमें से कोई भी क्वेश्चंस काइंडली स्किप ना कीजिए, क्योंकि ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बार बार मुख्तलिफ पेपरों में उठा उठा कर इनको एक तरह से कह लें घसीटा जा रहा है, बार बार ये पेपरों में आ रहे हैं। ठीक है, बेस्ट विशेष नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए आपके लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।